Hey guys, I bought these D&D Dry Erase tokens around Black Friday because they were on sale, and I'm going to open them now, months later, because I don't know, I need them. I'm doing a Adventure League campaign. I'm also teaching kids, and I'm going to do a Xanathar's Wrath, and there's a lot of NPCs and characters in that, so. Unbox this here, and you can see I have my figurines all spread out here. So we're gonna make some room, and I'm gonna show you these tokens. Show you what's in the box. All right, so first of all, it comes in a interesting resealable plastic box, which is kind of nice. So that's cool. Ooh, and it seals on 3 sides. Oh, and that one's broken. Oh well, good idea, but bad execution. So there you go. There's part of the review right there, and this is why we do unboxing videos. All right, get 2 dry erase markers. That's always nice. Can always use more because I have one that just dried out. All right, and looks like they're pretty thick cardboard. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets here. Okay. So let's get our scissors, open this up. So thanks everybody for subscribing to the channel. We're up to 16,500, I think, or something like that. Subscribers, so I appreciate that. You guys are great. Taking you through the adventures that I do, teaching kids, teaching adults how to play D&D. And I have a lot of videos on how to do that if you're ever in that position where you want to do that. Okay, let's take a look here. So we got an archer. Ooh. Looks like a underworld Avernus type figure. Stone giant, maybe. Some kind of undead creature. Ooh, that looks like a chimera. Or a, what's the one from that first module? Dragon of Icespire Peak. Anyway, tell me in the comments below. I don't know what that is, but that's scary as heck. Okay, so like there's 7. So you get the same creature with different numbers on them. So if you have like an encounter where you have a whole bunch of like giants, for instance, or a whole bunch of archers, you can you already have them pre-numbered. So that's pretty cool. And then, oh, it actually says on the back here. Okay, great. So that is an ooze. So this guy's an ooze, and this guy's a monstrosity. Oh, it tells you what type they are. Fey, creature, fiend, giant. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Interesting. So it tells you what their, like, designation is, their class. That's a Nothic. And this is interesting because there's 7. Usually Nothics are like solitary creatures. So that's kind of weird that they would have 7 of them. Because it's usually like a wizard who's gone mad and like, here's a displacer beast. Here you got like some kind of hero. This looks like some kind of like automaton. So if you're playing, it's, gosh, I can't think today. What's the one? Eberron. It's like steampunk. Dragon, awesome. Some kind of like tree, animated tree or something like that. All right, so we got elemental, dragon, construct, celestial, beast, and aberration. Okay, it's number 2. So number 3, ooh, live plant, a skeleton. That looks like kind of a wizardy type guy. This is a steampunky kind of guy. This is a, hey, wait a minute. All right, so we're getting into individual characters now. Okay, this is pretty cool. So, warrior, like a fighter, a king, a dwarf, like a dwarf who's like a making different weapons, a queen. Okay. We'll go all the way down here. So it looks like there's 7 of these bad guys. That looks like a sorcerer. This looks like a paladin. Let's see if they're going to say it on the back. Sorcerer, undead, plant, cleric, merchant, bard, jewelry merchant, blood hunter, rangers, warehouse keepers, queens. Some of these pictures are really awesome, actually. That's a nice rogue. There's a druid. No, I'm saying that's a ranger, probably. There's like a wizard or a sorcerer. Ooh, there you go. There's a nice paladin fighter. Here's a bard. Here's a jewel gem merchant. Here's a baker. There's somebody working in a stable. All right. And then it gives you a whole bunch of blank ones, right? So the blank ones, and then it gives you some larger ones too. So then, these are dry erase. So, if you want, you can just write like, cleric or, dragon on there. Or if you have like some talent, you can like draw a stick figure with a sword or a bow. Anyway, yeah, these were really cheap. I remember these being like under like $20. So yeah, if you want, go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any questions about these, let me know. I'm going to let you know how these work out for me. This is pretty thin, so like fit into your backpack pretty well. It's definitely not heavy. Less than the size of the monster manual or the book. So portable, that's important because like I bring way too much stuff to my campaigns. I just do. And if you're the same way, let me know in the comments below. Great talking to you all in Pittsburgh, Pat. I'll see you on the next one, and I hope you have a great day out there. Take care. Oh, and let me know what you want me to review next, and I will. Thanks.